Hello. So as you all know that we have a cloud class. So cloud class basically is a feature by which every offline class of ours at every center is live as well as recorded. So since it's live, if the student cannot come to the offline class, whether he is ill or some function is happening or any reason, any genuine reason, if the student cannot come to the physical class, in our case, he never misses the class. In our case, every class is live, so he attend the class online. And since I said its recording is also available, so as and when it is required, we can do the revision as well. So this lecture, this recording is how to watch the recording. We want to focus how to watch the recording. So this is our dashboard, as you already know. Once you log in into the system, it will directly take you to the dashboard. The student dashboard will be looking little different, but it will be same. In the beginning, it will be upcoming event will come. So the classes and all will be visible there. Then below that, if you go, the calendar comes. In the calendar, all the tests which are happening, which will be happening or which has happened in that month, all those activities are shown, day-wise activities are shown, which has happened. And below that, when you come, you will see the courses. These are the courses which are recently accessed by the student. These will be the courses where the student will be enrolled. Since we want to see the recording, we'll directly enter from here. We click on it. So directly we go inside. As you can see, there are three sections here. One section is mathematics, one for physics, and one for chemistry. And each section, there are some lectures. These are the lectures which are already done. Different day. These are lectures for physics and these are lectures for chemistry, which are already done. Okay. Now, if I want to see the recording, basically, all I have to do, just click on any of the recording. Let's say I want to revise 27th April recording for mathematics. So what I'll do, I'll just click on it. Once I click on it, I'll go inside. And here the detail about that lecture will be given when the class was started, when it ended and all. And here you will see the presentation. Playback, below playback, you will see the presentation. Once you click on this, the separate window will open where the recording will be there. So you'll be able to see all the recordings. Yeah. You can fast forward it as well if you want. Generally, we suggest the student when they are watching it multiple times, they fast forward it. So they can watch the recording, they can complete their notes. Once they are done, they can again go back to the dashboard. Now, thing is, sometimes basically this course will not be available at the bottom, sometime, especially the very first time. In that case, how to access the course? So in that case, at the top column, you will see the courses. If you click on it, all the courses will come. Depending upon in which class you are. Let's say you are in the 7th standard, then you will click on the 7th. If you're on the 11th standard, you'll be clicking on to the 11th standard. So let me click on the 11th standard. You'll click. It will take you to the class 11th courses. So we have multiple types of courses. There are integrated batches, there are weekend batches, and there are papers. Let me go for the integrated batches. If I click on the integrated batches, we'll see our batch. This is the batch currently running. So student will see their batch. You click on that, and again you are inside here. Here, since you're inside, any lecture you can open where you want to see the recordings. You just click on it, and the recording will be available for you. Okay. We can go through it, we can fast forward it, everything we can do. So I hope you understand basically how the recording you'll be able to access. And if any issue is there, you can always connect with the academic team at the NMC for further clarification. Okay. Thank you.